Hello Dollface, it's Kat here and I am so excited for today's video because it is spooky season. It is October and LA Splash came out with the most perfect palette for Halloween. It is the classic horror palette. It is amazing. I am so excited about this palette. I got it in the mail yesterday and I am so I'm so hyped. So the cover, it has a little cardboard sleeve of just lightning bolts, and in green lettering it just says LA Splash presents classic horror, and it just slides out and it is such beautiful packaging. You have just all these beautiful monsters on it, like the werewolf, you have the Bride Frankenstein, you have the Invisible Woman, you have the Phantom, you have Dracula and the Sea Witch and Dr. Jekyll and Mrs. Hyde, and oh my god, just all the amazing monsters, just beautifully drawn. I am just so obsessed with this packaging. It is beautiful. I don't know if you guys really know this about me, but I really love horror movies. I really love classic horror, and I just love anything creepy and beautiful at the same time. And just look how beautiful these ladies look. Oh my god, it's just amazing. I am so obsessed with this packaging. And just in the back they have like all their Twitter handlers and all that stuff, so you know, just the usual branding things. And when you open it up in the mirror, I've already kind of used the palette to get this look, but it's a little messy now. But in the mirror you have all of that, and hey guys, there's you, and then you just have, it's the same kind of patterns. It says Mummy and Werewolf and Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, and just, it's really amazing. And the colors are stunning. Look at these. They are so bright and amazing, and this is the type of palette that I look for. I love colors, and these colors are perfect for Halloween. So we'll go through and do some swatches. The first one I'm going to do is called Toxic. Toxic is literally what I'm wearing all around my eyes right now. I know it's a little hard to see with my camera lights, but it's just a bright neon yellow, and it is amazing. Oh my god, it might be my favorite shadow from this. Now I'm going to go into the yellow shade called Psycho, and I'm going to swatch that right underneath where I put. It's just like a more darker mustardy yellow, which pairs really nicely. It is also in with this look you'll see later. The next shade we're going to go into is Madness, and it's just like this neon puke green, which is amazing for Halloween time. It's just like, oh god, these colors are so pigmented. Now we're going to go into this blue shade called Curse, and it's like an aquamarine blue. Really good for like mermaid, sea witch looks. Ooh, that is so pigmented. These colors are so bright and pigmented. I am literally just dying. So now we're going to go into the shade Blue Moon. It is just this like periwinkle blue shadow, and we're going to apply that right. Oh my god, that is, oh my god, please, hello. That might also be, after Toxic, my other favorite. So Blue Moon and Toxic are so far like the best. So that is the first row on this arm. They are so bright and pigmented. I cannot even, I am dying. I'm literally dying. I want to put them all on my face. Okay, so we're going to go into the next row, and this shade is called Zombie. So it is a bright pink, which I'm very excited for because I love pink, if you didn't know that on this channel already. So we're just gonna, can I do it on this arm? Maybe on the back of my hand, these ones. So this is, oh, that is Zombie. That is a hot, bright pink. That is a, oh. Now we're going to go into this like rusty red shade. It is called Nightmare. And I'm going to put that right next to where I put Zombie. Oh, I like that. That is, ooh, okay, yes. Now we have this red shadow called 13th, and you know I like to collect my red eyeshadows here. I want a Gerard Way moment, so let's see if this red lives up to my hype in my head. It did. Yes. Now the next shade we're gonna go into is called Voodoo. It is a very purpley shade. Am I running out of room on my hand? Ooh, we'll see. So we're just gonna go in and put that right here. I'm the worst at swatching. I'm sorry. One day I'll get used to it. Okay, so this one's a littler patchier, not as like vibrant as the other ones are, but I know purples are hard to make, but literally building it up, I can see that it is, ooh. Oh, Oh god, I'm going to be doing more looks with this. This is going to play a big role in my Halloween tutorials this year because this is amazing. Okay, now the last shade is called Lights Out. It is a black and it is looking very, very promising, and it is... Oh, that is a good black. That is amazing. That is stunning. That is everything. It is dark like my soul. It is perfect. That is a perfect black for Halloween. Oh my god, I am so happy right now. These eyeshadows are so amazing. I am just obsessed. This is amazing. Oh, I got some black in my blue now though. Ooh. Uh-oh. Okay, so be careful with that black though, because it likes to go places. Yeah, this palette is literally everything. It is so pretty. The colors are so pigmented, and yes, I am obsessed. So now let me show you how I got this look using the palette. It is this amazing neon green slime alien moment. I'm obsessed. It's a spooky Halloween look. So if you want to see how I got the makeup look, please keep watching. Alright, so let's make a look with this palette. There are so many colors to choose from. It is like beautiful. They're also like bright and vibrant. I'm so excited to dig in. I know when I wanted to buy this palette, I really wanted these green and yellow shades. They were just calling to me. So I thought we'd do like a neon green yellow look with some purple. That's why I added the purple lip, because I thought it'd be like super, super pretty. So I'm going to first go in with a fluffy brush in the shade Toxic, and I'm just going to run that through everywhere in my crease. Okay, yeah, that had a lot of pigment. That is so promising. Look how bright that color is. Hi, yes, yes, yes. Yellow, yellow. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this shade Psycho, and I just want to do that to put that in the crease just to blend in, just so I think this color will really help that green and that yellow meld really nicely, and just to give it a little bit of dimension. Oh my god, I'm loving this. This is amazing. I cannot even. I'm just so excited. Okay, I'm gonna go in to the shade Madness on like a flatter packer brush, and I'm just gonna get in that color. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this green, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. Oh, that is a nice green. That is nice. These are all like just amazing. Blend it in with that same brush I used the yellow. These are applying so nice, and they are so pigmented, and like oh, this is I'm about this. I'm sorry, I'm just really feeling this. I haven't really had my, oh wait, I lied. There is a tiny bit of fallout, but like honestly not horrible. It was barely noticeable until I really looked into the mirror. So I'm really excited. So let's move on to the lower lash line a bit. I'm just gonna go take a pencil-y, fluffy brush type of deal thingy, and I'm gonna go in back into Toxic, and I'm just gonna run that all throughout my lower lash line and connecting it to the top. And then I'm gonna blend a little bit of Psycho into that as well. And then with a tighter pencil brush, I'm going to take Madness and really just blend that, smoking it into the lower lash line. I think I'm going to take a little bit of Toxic. I'm just going to press that into the center of my lid with my finger, just to brighten it up some. Yeah, that really added like a glow of neon. Now doing my lower lash line, I did notice a lot more fallout with it. So just be a little careful with the lower lash line, you know, just to get it out. I'm just going to wipe it off with a clean brush, and then we'll go back. So honestly, I thought about doing a purple eyeliner with this, but like I am totally just feeling this green all by itself. So I am going to dig in and put on some mascara and some lashes off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so lashes and mascara are on, and I think I'm going to add a little bit of white to the waterline just to open up my eyes a little bit, so let me go get that. this is the finished look, and I am, yep, this is it. This is the only palette I'm probably going to use in October because it's literally perfect. I am so obsessed with it. I love it so much. It is just, it's amazing. It's so cute. The packaging is adorable. The pigment is amazing. It just blended so nicely. It is so bright and vibrant. It is perfect. I am so happy I got this. Yeah, I am really liking that with the white, and the lashes are on, mascara's on. So the palette itself doesn't really have a highlighty shade, so I'm just going to use the highlighter that I'm wearing today, which is Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter and Holographic Lights. It has like a really nice green tint, which I thought would pair nicely with all the green on my eyes. So I'm just going to go in and put that into the inner corner. There we go. And in the brow bone. It is like really cheap actually. I know it was only like $27, and then like if it's your first time buying from LA Splash, you get like 10% off. So I only spent like $24 on this, and there was free shipping, so that was amazing. This palette is like perfect. I'm going to wear it so much. I love the colors. Just look at them. Like, it's so bright. It is such a bright palette. If you love bright colors and fun makeup, literally just buy this. It is perfect, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be perfect on my vanity for Halloween time because the packaging is so freaking pretty. I'm just really happy with this, and I can't wait to play with it more. Let me know if you guys want to see another tutorial with it because I'm loving it. I'm loving it so much. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because that would just be really, really rad of you guys. Thank you guys again so much. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!